Hello, good morning. How are you? कैसे हैं आप लोग सब? बढ़िया है? Okay, so we are going for the next session here in the under the program mental well-being. Well, children. Well, before that, we'll try to do some exercise. Well, children, hello. So there's a next exercise for you. Well, you can do it by staying in the home. Right. Try to move the wrist. There's a wrist joint here. You can see that. You try to move like this, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Fine. And then your joints here. We have a ball and socket joint here. Just move like this, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Okay. Then you just swing. Just stretch your arm. Okay. Stretch your arm like that. Posture should be very straight. Right, children? Now, again like this. Again like this. Wait. Now, if the arm is like this, you see that very carefully. One is going like this. See, this is going clockwise and anti-clockwise. See like this. Stop here. Then, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, children? Fine. Do it all the exercises right from the first segment when we have started our program. The pranayama, the next exercise last week, that exercise, this exercise, and the first subsequent programs, what are the exercises are there, try to do as soon as you get up from the bed, and this will try to make you mentally fit. Okay, children, right, now we have just warmed up our body. Fine. You can acquire by staying in the home. What are the skills that we can acquire? First important thing is learning the language. Language skills. Children, the language skills, as you know that, by sitting in the home, where you have the other schedules and all, how to acquire the language. There are 4 important segments that is there in a language. The first is that learning skill, the speaking skill, reading skill, and then writing skill. LSRW, learning skill, speaking skill, reading skill, and writing skill. So you listen to the program. That means learning is nothing but the thing is that you listen to the program. You watch the news channels, you watch through some of the debates, some of the programs you can watch and learn the language. Next is that you should try to read. The speaking is very, very important. So where you can develop your communication skill. Children, one of the most important thing is that when you want to convey one matter to another person, you have a lot of matter. The medium of conveying is the language. So language is a very important part that plays in conveying that matter to other persons. So languages are very, very important. Then next one is I said you that the reading one. The reading part, there is a number of magazines are there which you can collect and you can read it, develop that knowledge, and the most important thing is that in the communication part also the pronunciation is very, very important. The vocabulary. So learning an English language is one of the important tool, my dear. Now we can see that when you sit in any of the interviews, the first important thing is when you communicate. The communication skill is one of the most important thing. What value stand? Very, very important thing. That we have to improve the standard. We have to go to the international standard. Tomorrow you may be entrepreneurs. You may be a businessman. You may be the IAS officers, IPS officers. You may be the chief managing directors. So many things you may be holding in the future. So how do you communicating with your partners? So the language plays a very vital role there. Then, so reading, we have plenty of books. The biography of APJ Abdul Kalam, we have The Wings of the Fire, Experiments of the Truth, depicting the life of Mahatma Gandhi, and very good writer R.K. Narayan's book, Malgudi Days, The English Teacher. All these books, if you are reading, you can try to develop the knowledge. Very, very important thing. Next skill I was telling is writing skill. So try to write. When you are reading some magazines or any of the newspapers, collect any of the 2 of the words. Every day you take 2 words, which is not, you have not found in your day-to-day life. Take 2 words, write the synonyms and the antonyms, that is meanings and the opposite words of that particular word. At the same time, try to frame that word in a sentence. You can take that word in any of the parts of the speech. You know the parts of the speech, or many types are there, like noun, a pronoun, verb, adverb. You can use that word in any of the sentence like a verb. You can use that as an adjective. You can use that as a noun and frame a sentences. By this, children, you can construct the grammar part. That's most important part here. So by that you can develop the English language. अनदर थिंग, आप जानते हैं हमारा राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी है। हिंदी भी ऐसे अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लीजिए, बहुत सारे किताबों हैं, प्रेमचंद, मुंशी प्रेमचंद लिखे हुए किताबें हैं, उसको भी आप अच्छी तरह से पढ़ सकते हो, है कि नहीं। उसका एक कहानी पढ़ सकते हो, उसका सारांश लिख सकते हो, उसको भी, और शब्दों भी वाक्यों में प्रयोग कर सकते हो, मुहावरे लिख सकते हो। तो यही सब से आप लैंग्वेज स्किल्स एक्वायर कर सकते हैं। हाउ? बाय सिटिंग इन द होम। घर से आप ये लैंग्वेज स्किल्स भी एक्वायर कर सकते हो। दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट है, वी आर स्टविंग इन द टेक्निकल स्किल। इन टेक्निकल स्किल्स यू कैन लर्न टाइप राइटिंग। Most of you must be having the computers with you, or you have your mobiles. You can just, if it is not there, a virtual keyboard you can download, or a typewriter app you can download, and try to type the words. By this, you can daily you can increase the speed and see that the mistakes can be avoided gradually. So there is another skill, the typewriting skill you can acquire. And दूसरी बात है, तीसरी बात है, it is now we are almost moving into the era of artificial intelligence. बच्चों, artificial intelligence के ज़माने में हम लोग जा रहे हैं. It is a era of robotics also. So computer education is very, very important. You can download some of the programs, learn the programs. You can also create some apps which can be useful for the people, especially now the outbreak of COVID-19. There are other kind of things you can create it. So this kind of creativity also you can do by using the computer technology. So this, now you can see that the computer is one of the most important field which has brought all the world, all the countries has merged it to one point. Suppose tomorrow you become a cardiologist, you become a chief managing director, you have some problems with your manufacturing part, or you are a cardiologist, you have a patient, you want to do a diagnosis. So you can directly have a rapport with the people who are sitting in abroad, very long, very far away. You can just scan these things and you can send it through the advent of these computers. So my dear, so three important things what today we have discussed. One is the language skills, very, very important. Second is that the typewriting, learn the typewriting, you can type your own profile, very, very important, or some of the things you can type it, that's very, very useful to you. And third is the computer language. So all these things will be highly useful to you, will upgrade you, and tomorrow when you are sitting for the interviews, in the interviews the panel people may ask you, just please tell about yourself. So you can tell these are the various skills that I have acquired. आप एक चीज़ जानते हैं, 17 भाषा जानते हैं। भूतपूर्व प्रधानमंत्री, हमारा देश का भूतपूर्व प्रधानमंत्री पीवी नरसिम्हा राव, ही नोज 17 लैंग्वेज, राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय भाषाओं इतना सारा जानते हैं. ओके, सो लाइक दैट व्हाई डोंट यू लर्न many of the languages, French, German, lot of languages you can learn, and you can become a kind of a very knowledgeable person where you can speak many languages. So very capable, you can have your profile, we upgrade your profile to that level that you have the optimistic person for a particular job. Okay children, right, now still we are still in the lockdown period. ठीक है, अभी लग रहा है हम लोग जीतेंगे, कोविड-19 को हम लोग दबा कर देंगे. ठीक है, ऐसे दबा कर देंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, फिर गाएंगे, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, ये वक्त ना ठहरा, ये वक्त ना ठहरेगा, हम होंगे कामयाब. सर्वे जना सुखिनः भवन्तु. बाय.